If you played classic games like Heroes of Might and Magic 3, you may have noticed something interesting. When a character turns, the sprite doesn't just instantly flip to the other side. Instead, there's a smooth transition with intermediate views in between. That's exactly what we're going to recreate in Unity. The idea is simple. Between the left and right facing directions, we add extra in between frames. For example, we can use three main stages: side view, three-quarter view, front view. You can also add more stages if you want an even smoother turn. The important part is that you only need to design one side of the character. Then, using code, we'll flip it toward the opposite direction. If you want an easy way to create these different views, I already have a tutorial showing how to quickly generate a 2D sprite sheet from a third character. Now let's talk about the setup. We take one sprite and place it in the scene. I comment out the parts of the code that are not directly related to the topic and only explain the parts that are relevant to this lesson. In our script, we define variables for the sprite renderer, each of the directional sprites, side, three-quarter, front, etc. We are not using Unity animation here. Instead, we are faking the motion using code. We also define a variable called something like turn frame time, which controls how fast each sprite changes. And we add a check like is turning so the system doesn't restart the turning process while it's already running. At the start of the game, the character begins in the side view. Then we check this condition. It means that when the player is actually trying to move and the direction is different from the previous one. So it is turning. And also it is not in the middle of a turn animation. When the condition is true, we start a coroutine. We use a coroutine because we need delays between each sprite changes so the player can actually see the transitions frames. When turning to the opposite direction, we do this sequence. First, switch to the three-quarter sprite. Wait for a short delay. Switch to the front sprite. Then flip the character using local scale. So everything including child objects moves to the other side. Then reverse the process, three-quarter, then side view. Finally, we assign all the sprites in the inspector. Now, when the direction changes, the character smoothly transitions between angles instead of instantly flipping. I even slow down the timing so you can clearly see each step of the turning process.